I'm discuss very important topic. There is a 301, 302 redirect. So I'm making one website. The website only for home page is there. When click on services, I'll give access from another website. I'll give access for another website. But my question is only for they using source code. But I have the zero knowledge of coding knowledge. I have zero knowledge of code language. This will be done by developers. This is done by developers. When you click the contact, they go to third-party website. My question is called, if anybody click the home page, they go into certain websites. Certain website. So now enter my website, Rakesh, SEO, services.co.in. They open same website. When enter this website, is open for the blogger. I'm not using any kind of coding. I'm not using any kind of coding. Just copy the URL, login cPanel. In this option call is domains. Click for redirect. Here I'm not using single coding also. Here is read by the need permanent or temporary. Permanent is called 301. Temporary is called 302. I'm going for only temporary. The name is called my home page. Which page can redirect? The redirect to the blogger. Redirect to which one? Blogger. Copy the blogger URL. And blogger homepage or a specific page also, your wish. Blogger homepage or specific page. I'm go for specific page. Click here. Now always only redirect with the double dot, without, with or without. Always selecting for with or without. You can use it for double dot is there or not. They can redirect. Now click for add. Now I'm selecting for private incognito window. Why? Always any checking. First of all, checking incognito window. Why? The no cookies and copy will be captured. So I'm enter here. I'm searching my website. They're going to where? Blogger. Why? I can redirect for the particular website to blogger. The domain only for blogger purpose. Anyone search the website, they're going to where? My blogger website. This is called very important for the particular redirect for 301, 302. This will be move one website to another website also. Is a blogger. Now I can open the website. When you click the particular site, a contact us, copy, go back. Always remember, once you redirect, we can't edit. The delete, new one, apply. Once you add the redirect option, we can't edit. We can't edit. See, any edit option is there? Delete. Now is a temporary. Which page? Another contact us and add. Preview to go for blogger. I can check. Done. Open. They go to it. Other website contact us page. Is it clear? This is only for home page purpose. This is only for home page purpose. Now, once again, if not required, go back and delete. After checking anything, we can read your own traffic. Click for delete the option. Now I'm selecting here fourseasonswim.com. How do we can rate page to another page or page to another website? We'll move to the page option. Now we can show the total website. Total website we can move to other website and other blogger. How to move page to another page and page to another website. Now Login cPanel. Here I'm not using any kind of coding. Just I'm using only cPanel access. Previous one. Keep it on hold. Login. If anyone click the services page, is it going to contact us page? Or anyone click the gallery page, they going to for contact us page. Select the gallery. Only copy the URL extension. Only copy URL extension. Which URL they go for? Contact us. Select domain. Redirect. Anyone click the gallery, they go to contact us. Permanent or temporary. First decide. I'll only for temporary. Select the domain. Next your URL extension. After that, what are the URL you can transfer? Copy the total URL. Extension not support. Only for copy the entire URL. Paste it. Click for add. Simple change. Only I'm copy the URL extension. Select incognito window. fourseasonsim.com. I'm clicking for gallery. Go to which page? Contact us page. So we can do for when I'm clicking gallery, they go to the contact us page. So I'm go to the home page. Now I'm clicking for which page? Gallery. Which page are going to contact us? So we can move the page to page and website to blogger, website to another website. Last option, page to another website. Simple option. Go back, delete, copy the URL extension gallery. Where do you go for? Redirect, temporary. I'm searching for my website. If anyone click the gallery, they go to where? Rakesh, SEO.co.in. We easily find out. Add. Select incognito window. After do anything, check the incognito window. Why? There no copy for cookies and cache memory. Here. Now click for gallery. They go into my another website. They go to where? Another website. So any specific redirection we can go for. This is the main purpose of 301, 302. Any page support and unnecessary deleted. The page is more traffic. The page is more traffic. We can't lose the traffic purpose. When click that page, they go to relevant page. Or else they can go to for other page. For contact us page. Any. You can read the specific page purpose using 301 and 302. This is a very important on particular website. You no need using any coding to redirect the one website to another website, one website to blogger, and one page to another page to another website. Please note down.